Hello you guys, and this is me, Princess Alexa, and today I'm gonna show you my hair update. Hello. I am really happy with the results, and yeah, and I really like this color like that. So yeah, I think it looks cool on me. Also, I want to show you guys so I am doing, well, I already finished this one, but it's my home fun, and this is how it looks like that. It's all bling bling with Swarovski, and this is the base. That's the base. So yeah, it looks cool. I done it myself. And it's like, hello. Yeah, I love it. I think it's really cute. Now and everybody else, I am on the front. Alright, so yeah, this is basically how it looks like this. It's really cute with Swarovski crystals. Like that. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.